Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue number 20 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 1967 from the wonderful folks over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to build along with me this massive 1/6 scale model, click this link all the way along there. Also in the description below. Head over to the DeAgostini website and take out a subscription for this wonderful, wonderful model. You will not be disappointed, folks. I can tell you that now. So in this issue, what have we got? Detroit was the birthplace of the car industry. Detroit, Michigan deserves the nickname Motor City because of its ties to the leading car makers. All were hard hit by the 1970s oil crisis, but the 21st century has seen it rise from the ashes to retake its place as a world-class city. Yes, folks, the Motor City. Unbelievable place. And, yeah, steeped in iconic history. Ford's Model T was a revolutionary product. Not only did it represent the foundation stone of the American motor industry, but it also changed the course of Detroit's history. Yes, it was that proper car production line where everything was moving and, you know, it was proper assembly line, and this classic Model T Fords were the first to do that. Built in 1977, the Renaissance Centre, also known as the GM Renaissance Centre, is the headquarters of General Motors. It's a lasting testament to the fruits of the American car industry, which gave so much to the city. Yes, look at that beautiful, beautiful building. Today we're going to be building the right front seat base. So you will need the bits from the previous issue, which were bits there. So you want them. Okay. And we're going to be putting in the base cushion and the trim, etc., the lower frame. Okay. This is showing you how it all goes together. All the foam cushion inlays, and this is how the two parts, base and the backrest, will look once this phase of the assembly has been completed. And there it shows you in your Mustang where it's going to be. Okay. This is the Ford Ranchero, a pickup with lots of muscle. Despite its vocation as a commercial vehicle throughout the 60s, the Ford Ranchero was a good example of a muscle car thanks to its high-performance V8 engine. Wow, isn't it? Looks fast, stationary. This is a 1966 Ford Ranchero in a test session of Carcraft magazine. This model's generation was lighter, more compact and cheaper. There you go. Don't like the look of them, I must admit. This is the V8 Cobra jet engine with forced air intake at the top. It was the same as used in contemporary Mustangs and Torino Cobra. This is an American and Australian format, yes. Australians call them utes down there, don't they? And friend of mine who lives out there, he's got his big old ute down there, and yeah. 72 Ranchero was the last of the series that could carry typical muscle car engines. Compared to the previous year, its front end had changed radically. Look at the difference. And then the 72nd GT designation was no more than decoration, referring to its more sporty outward appearance. It had no more powerful engines than the rest of the range. I do like the decals, and yeah, it does look right though, doesn't it? And that was the last of the Rancheros. So let's have a flick back and see what we're going to be building for you today. So let's just come back. It's just showing us what parts we've got. Right, getting ready to right front seat base frame, which is this piece, and the right base, which is that. Okay, and this is going to go up underneath like so. Work your way around and run that over the edges there, and it will just click neatly into place. Okay, just like that. Here's what you want. Just make sure you're seating it in all the way around, just like so. Showing you there in the page 6 exactly what it should look like. And then you've got these chrome inserts that will press fit into place. Okay, so we'll get them lined up and we'll get them homed in. There's a couple of little pins just in there, and there's one right down in there. That's it, just like so. Just press that in place, and you've got these two little slots cut in there which correspond to these two little pieces there. Same this side. Press them into place and make sure they're fully in, just like so. Okay, we then want to grab these two parts and press them together. So that's the completed cushion, and this then is going to be our seat. Then we want to press this in place. You've got 3 pins just here, and they'll go in here. Okay, I'm going to start by lining the middle one up the top there, and once you then pop the side ones in, it'll start locking together, just like that. Work your way around and make sure she's all in place, just like so. Okay, and that's what you're going to end up with: a completed seat back and a completed seat cushion. Okay, so that's where we're going to leave it for today. Don't forget, if you would like to subscribe to this collection, click this link. It's also in the description below. Work your way along there. Bink. Head over to the DeAgostini website. Click the subscribe button, and you too can be building along with me this beautiful 1/6 scale model. Also, don't forget, folks, click the button in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. And until the next time, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.